Welcome to HM Architecture. Today we are exploring a stunning modern residence, a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. From the moment you approach the house, you notice its symmetry, clean lines, and sophisticated proportions. The white walls with dark trim, large windows, and landscape surroundings create a luxurious and serene atmosphere. Let's step inside and discover every corner of this magnificent home. This residence is a striking example of modern architecture. The three-car garage reflects a high standard of living. Well-maintained lawns, trimmed bushes, and a paved driveway add beauty and order. Wall-mounted lights illuminate the exterior at night. A serene pond and carefully designed landscaping harmonize the building with its surroundings. Now, as we enter the house, let's take a look at one of the rooms inside. The bedroom is modern and calming, blending beige, brown, and cream tones. A large bed with a padded headboard sits at the center, with matching nightstands and pendant lights. Two armchairs with a small table form a cozy corner by the window. Share and blackout curtains control light and privacy, while greenery outside and a potted plant inside add freshness. Wooden flooring and a large rug enhance warmth and comfort. The living room is modern and minimalist. Beige L-shaped sofas surround a rectangular coffee table with a single armchair nearby. Light wood herringbone flooring adds elegance. Vertical wooden paneling and a flat screen TV create a stylish focal point. Recessed ceiling lights, floor lamps, and large windows with sheer curtains provide gentle illumination. A potted plant adds a natural touch. The kitchen balances style and functionality. Wooden cabinetry pairs with sleek black appliances. A large island with a light countertop and dark base provides workspace, with four bar stools adding character. Pendant lights with gold accents, recessed ceiling lights, and under cabinet illumination keep the space bright. A large window offers natural light and a view of trees. Decorative touches like potted plants and fresh fruit enhance warmth and personality. Thank you for joining HM Architecture on this tour. From the elegant exterior to the thoughtfully designed rooms, every detail reflects comfort, style, and sophistication. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home tours. See you in the next video.